Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to hide your TikTok videos from the public. And now let's dive right in. Now to hide your TikTok videos from the public, first open up your TikTok app. Okay, let's pause this video. And now in order to proceed to hide your video from the public, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is the profile button available for us. Tap on that profile button, and over here all of your videos will be available. Now in order to hide a video or from the public, first choose the video which you want to hide. Suppose I'll be going with this video. Now in order to hide your video, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon, and after that this kind of menu will appear, where at the bottom of the screen you can see the options where it says analytics, save video, pin, turn off captions. Swipe those options or buttons to the left, and you can see there is the privacy settings option available for us. Tap on that privacy settings, and over here guys you can see where it says the who can watch this video. Now if you want to hide this video from everybody, simply tap on only me and this video will be hidden from everybody except you. But if you want to show your video just to your friends and not to the public, tap on friends, and your friends that follow us, that follow you back, will be able to watch your video and nobody else from the public. And with that being said guys, this is how you hide your video from the public on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the post, and if you have any questions or if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.